So we will discuss work, energy, power. Let us go with work done by constant force. So it is defined as work done is defined as dot product between force vector and displacement vector, or I can say F delta R cos theta, where theta is the angle between force and displacement vector. Units of work is joule. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. And if I take in vector terms, so let if F vector is equal to Fx I cap plus Fy j cap plus Fz k cap, and delta R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So work done is F dot R. So this becomes Fx into x, or I can write this is delta x, delta y, delta z. So this is becomes Fx delta x plus Fy delta y plus Fz delta z. And since work is a scalar quantity, it does not depend on the orientation of the coordinate axis. So simply we can say work is defined as the dot product between the force vector along the direction of the displacement vector. If the force vector is making some angle with the displacement vector, then we have to take the component of the force, or here I can write and the component of force along displacement vector multiplied by displacement. This is defined as the work done by constant force. So this is a load of mass m is equal to 3000 kgl, right, is lifted by a winch with say an acceleration of 300 kg. Let us say 300 kg is lifted by a winch with an acceleration a equals to 2 meter per second square. Find the work done during the first 1.5 seconds from the beginning of motion. So we'll have time t is equal to 1.5 seconds, so 3/2 seconds, and height covered is equal to half 80 square, so half into 2 into 9/4, so this is 9/4 meter. Now here it is lifted, t mg is downward, acceleration is, so find the work done during the first one. So here I will write t minus mg is equal to ma, that implies t is equal to m into g plus a. So that becomes t is equal to m into g plus a is 12, 300 into 12, so this becomes 3600 Newton. So work done is equal to t into h, they are in the same direction, cos 0 degree, so 3600 into 9/4, so 4 9 ja 36, 981 00 joule.